Welcome to Vet Sounds. This week's episode was full of technical difficulties and appropriately named Flipping the Bird.
So, all right, there's Dr. Mac. I'm just bringing him up. It's stressful. I may start drinking. There you are.
Aha!
I don't know what happened to Dr. Mac just now. Oh, there he is. Okay. And he's gone. Yes, this is like the worst night on Facebook ever. What happened to Dr. Mac? Where the heck are you?
We're back.
Oh my God. So, yeah.
So, can you hear me?
What? I can hear you. What is going on?
I keep unplugging internet devices, hoping I've unplugged enough.
Hey, don't leave me anymore.
All right.
Technical difficulties made for an exasperating Monday night
Why
goofball.
won't a crab share its food?
Why won't a crab share its food?
Because it's shellfish.
And he's gone again.
Even Facebook hates Dr. Mac's jokes.
Due to the mucked up internet, we brought in some guest comedians to balance out the horrors of Dr. Mac's so-called jokes.
So women can really hold a grudge. I mean, last month, my wife asked me for some lip balm, so I jokingly gave her a tube of crazy glue. She's still not speaking to me.
What do you call an owl that does magic tricks?
What do you call an owl that does magic tricks?
Houdini.
Oh, geez.
You know what's interesting? As soon as I get the joke out, that's when it always crashes.
The sky was looking quite ominous, so I asked Siri, "Surely it won't rain today?" And she said, "Oh, yes, it will. And don't call me Shirley." That's when I knew I left my phone in airplane mode.
When I traveled to Italy, Linda G, why did I wander around?
When you went to Italy, why did you wander around? Because I swear. It's like being aboard the Borg. If you're a Star Trek fan, like resistance is futile.
Right, let's hear from another true professional comedian.
So I had this job interview the other day, and the manager asks me, "What do you think is a big weakness?" And I said, "Honesty." And he said, "Honesty? I don't think honesty is a weakness." And I said, "I don't give a rat's ass what your opinion is." I'm still waiting for him to call me.
Okay, so when you went to Italy, why did you wander around?
Because I always thought it'd be cool to be Roman.
Oh boy. You see the difference?
That one's for you, Linda G.
Thanks.
Italiano.
'90s gentlemen, furry, feathered, thin-scaled creatures, etc. Please welcome world-renowned comedian, Connecticut's own Ladybug Good.
So this traveling salesman is driving along and he goes past a house down south and there's an old man on the porch and there's a sign that says talking dog. So he says, "What the hell, I'll stop and check it out." So he gets out of the car and he goes to the guy and he says, "You have a talking dog?" And the old man says, "Yeah, sure, he's around back. Go say hello." He goes, "Wow." So he goes around back and there's a dog laying there, a really old dog. And he says, "Hey, how you doing?" And the dog says, "Hello." He goes, "Holy shit, you can talk." And the dog says, Yep, I can talk." And the guy goes, "That's amazing. How did you happen to talk?" And the dog says, "Well, you know, when I was a puppy, I learned how to talk right away, and I was so good at it that the CIA trained me to be a spy. And I traveled all over the world being a spy in Russia and North Korea, and I got all sorts of medals. I had a fabulous career, and now I'm here retired." The guy goes, "Wow, holy moly." And so he walks to the front where the old man is and goes, "Wow, that's incredible. You got this talking dog. Would you want to sell him?" And the old man says, yeah, sure, I'd sell him. $10. And the guy goes, $10? You got a talking dog that's been all over the world, and it's been in the CIA, and it's done all these incredible things. $10? And the old man says, that dog's full of shit. He never did half of those things.
Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe below.